live on YouTube.
Oh, we live.
Oh, we live. It says here. Shit. we noticed. We noticed at the same time.
Yo.
Yeah, fool.
Hey.
So,
but for real though, like
BBBHOTFX, you know what I'm saying? We a worldwide organization of just niggas who doing pure forex, pure trading, whatever you want to trade, whatever.
This train loud as fuck, bro.
Bruh. Shut up.
We talking about the train, this nigga.
Anyways, so it's your boy Goho VL. Follow me on Instagram anyway, you know what I'm saying? Goho VL, Goho Volatility. It's my boy J Carlos BFX. That's my boy Igor dot A
No, Igor underscore Irosa. I mean the Irosa, I don't know how you say in English, but like whatever. Don't follow me anyway, bro. There ain't nothing special in my accounts, bro.
He ain't fuck with y'all.
I don't fuck with social media like that, bro. But yo,
but he do be on it crazy.
Yeah, he do be on
it. Yeah.
But, y'all boys,
what, you was finna teach him how to do a sniper entry or some shit?
Yeah, that's what we talking about today.
Huh?
This is mad live, dude.
It is. Show me the link, bro. Show me the link.
Fucking watching myself right now, dude.
Bro,
look at him all excited. This nigga excited.
Bro, he gonna say my mom's on TV. Glad.
But I forgot about it.
Oh my god.
So entries, right? Entries.
What, entries or like? Yeah,
Talk
okay.
about entries.
Let's go to AUD. This chart because I put a whole lot of bullshit on it. Nah, we're gonna keep it like this. So you know what I'm saying? I got my major levels on here. You know what I'm saying? I got my major support and resistance levels right here. I got my zone set up. Gotta get my next zone set up, but I'm too lazy to do all that right now. Anyways, I got my little mini key levels in here. And I'll go on the daily for y'all so y'all can get a better view. So as y'all can see, price broke through here. When we're talking pure price action, price came up here and and bounced off this resistance. Came up again, bounced off the resistance again, and then finally broke through. It finally had enough pressure to go through, finally had enough buyers to make price go up. And price broke through that resistance, now turned support, came and retested that, you know what I'm saying? Once again, pure price action, guys. And it came and retested the resistance, turned support. And now you can see starting to make levels, and it went all the way up, shot up, you know what I'm saying? Now,
that what you got going on?
What do you do in a situation like this? You know what I'm saying? Where price just shoots up, you know, you have no sign of a retest and price is just going. You know, like how can you get in that, or how can you capitalize off such a scenario? Like, you know what I'm saying? How can you do that? So look, this I'm gonna show y'all how I would do it. You know, once again, I'm not a financial advisor or a forex guru. We just here showing y'all how we do things.
We just do this shit for the clout. Now I'm playing.
Go ahead.
As y'all can see, we don't even got no followers, so I can't need.
Oh God, nigga, ain't no clout.
Ain't no clout to begin with.
I got my little bot right here, you know what I'm saying? My little box showing a consolidation. So what I would do in this situation is, I would go obvious consolidation right here. My bad, guys. My MacBook a little slow. Need to get a new one. My dad ain't gave me the check yet. Nah, I'm playing. We make money by pure consolidation right here, as you can see, because price came up off this and rejected off this midday resistance right here. Boom, crashed. Then came up again. Didn't have enough pressure. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much what we waiting. What I'm saying is, structure is right here at this point. It hasn't made any significant moves to tell me that it's actually moving right now, that it's actually going somewhere right now. And you never want to trade or put in a trade in a situation like this, because you're gonna be stuck in this up and down for a while. Your money is just, you're just gonna be negative, positive, and like, that could really mess with your psychology and possibly make you get out the trade quick. You never want to be in a position like that. So
Never,
what
guys. You understand? Never, never, ever, 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 ever.
so I usually put a box, wait for it to break out the box, because once it breaks out the box, that means that the move has started. That means that even if it goes down or up, the move has started. And if it goes down, you know how to get in the trade. If it goes up, you know how to get in the trade. That's the beauty of this.
I mean, how the fuck he gonna know if he ain't never traded? You just told this nigga put a box. He
Look,
gonna know.
put the box, wait for it to break out. Because we trade break and retest. You wait for it.
Oh,
Once it breaks out, so you know what I'm saying, you got this
that be a
little,
break out like a pimp. That be a hit.
yeah, that be hit. So you know what I'm saying? I'll go on a little. Man, bro, stop playing with me, bro. Moving my chart, dude. Like real talk. It broke out. You go on a 2 hour, you can see that it broke out. Came right here to this resistance. Played here for a little bit. Then it finally got enough power. You see this? See this right here? Boom. That's a signal. That's a signal right there. Clear signal that this downtrend, this bearish power had lost its traction.
This nigga
Boom.
said power.
Maribosa right here. This is a clear sign. When you see a Maribosa, it's a clear sign that the uptrend is still intact. That the uptrend is still intact, regardless of whatever you may see, or if you see this Maribosa, when you see that it's rejecting off this resistance a lot or whatever, and you think that price may reject and go down, it's not. When you see a Maribosa, the uptrend is still intact. If it is green, when you see a Maribosa, a red Maribosa, a bearish Maribosa, that means the downtrend is still intact. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you see this Maribosa, boom. You see price do. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you see the beginning of this and you see it shoot up. You like, damn. So you know what I'm saying? You got 2 hours. So anytime price usually isn't gonna just like make the move like that. Isn't just gonna go up like that. It's gonna go up. Move up and down. Make it a little. It's gonna dance a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's never just going, especially on the 2 hour candle, like it's going, because it's there for a while. So it's not just going to push
I
up and
mean, that
stay.
whole there for 2 hours, nigga.
Yeah,
But
but
it depend. It depend on like
the
that's
candle,
not that don't happen. That don't happen on every market condition. But like it's most likely like bound to happen.
yeah, but this is what I'm trying to say. The candle is never going to just go up like that and stay there for a whole 2 hours. You feel me? Price is never going to make a move and stay here for a whole 2 hours. Never gonna just doop, doop, and chill. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? It's never gonna do that. So let's say you see this. Hold on, I'm trying to delete this. Like I said, my computer a little bit slow. My fault, guys. But yeah, you see this right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put another box around this candle, just to show y'all what
I
I'm trying
bet
to.
your ass love geometry. All you figures.
Oh God, nigga be putting boxes everywhere, bro. Fuck.
Nigga
Alright,
showed up to school talking about some mom. Let me tell you about this figure we talked about today.
bro, box today in class, fool. So look, I got this little box set up around here. I'll go to the 1 hour, right? Just to show y'all what I'm talking about. And this is like simple, like just studying the chart, like nothing more than just studying the chart. That's all it is. And you go on the 2 hour. Obviously, it's not these two candles right here. These two positive candles. That's the one. So you go onto look. I'm gonna cut it short. You could go on the 30 minute. You know what I'm saying? You want to see what I'm talking about? You go on the 30. You don't have to go on 30 minute. I'm really just gonna jump to the 15 minute, because the 15 minute is gonna give me a clear sign of what I'm looking for, which is what a entry. You look for the entry on the 15. So you see that Maribozu pull up, you go to the 15. The Maribozu ain't gonna chill like that, you know what I'm saying? Like ever. Bro, my computer mad slow. Frustrating.
It's
And
not
bro,
that slow, bro. It's cool.
Not cool,
got
bro.
10 or 12 outside. I'm gonna change my scenario. I'm gonna go outside, catch some air, cause I feel the energy inside already.
Word to the wise.
To the wise.
To the wise.
Y'all hear that? It's just peaceful.
Y'all heard
I'm not
that, man?
saying.
Hold
It's
on, man.
it's just peaceful outside. You feel me?
Trifling.
I feel you.
Oh, there you go. There you go. My shit slow. I'm sorry, y'all. YouTube folks.
Nigga be apologizing to no one.
Who knew a MacBook could be this slow? You know? Shit crazy.
She be putting hella shit in it, bro.
Yeah, it's them Sims games, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You play Sims, nigga?
Yeah, that shit fun, nigga. Don't hate.
It was like when I had all them cheat codes and shit, I was going crazy, nigga. Nigga was never broke.
Hey, on God, nigga was piping like every day. That really how I became a sex addict.
Wow. This nigga.
Nigga had all the bitches in the game. Came to real life, nigga had no game. Crazy.
Look,
you see how God works?
Look, y'all. Look. You see this? I would have seen this. Look, this is what I would have did. This how I operate. This how I operate. So obviously it's right here. I see price comes here on the 15. Hey, as y'all know, I love geometry. So I would have put my little support right here because obviously price keeps bouncing off this support right here, this little intraday support, and then price comes right here and makes a little lower low than the rest of these. And then in turn, I was keep in mind I on the 4 hour and I seen them move on the 4 hour and the 2 hour. I'm here to find an entry. I'm not here to know what the chart gonna do. I'm here to find an entry. I already know what the chart gonna do. I see it make the lower low. Immediately put my entry right here, like clockwork. Like clockwork. I ain't even thinking twice. Here, nigga, put a
Damn, nigga.
I ain't gonna say nigga. Put a quick 15 pip stop loss. Why? Because it's tight. It's tight. It's literally right like lower than all of these. And unless there's a big look, I'm gonna show y'all on a fofo. Unless there is a big, and I mean,
bruh, look at GJ real quick.
hold on. Jose finna do GJ. I'm just trying to do this one real quick.
Look at that big ass drop, bro.
This is annoying, bro.
Why are you in the office?
Get money. Get money.
I wanted to be comfortable today, bro. The office chair be making my butt hurt. No crap.
Put a pillow in it, bro.
I'm going far.
He do.
This computer
He
annoying.
does?
Yeah, I do put a pillow. Right here. Oh my God.
Can you base a chart of the 1 minute chart?
And I could put it right here at the next zone, really, and just cool it. Cause at that point I already know the uptrend is imminent, right? But
Nigga, you a minute.
nigga, you Eminem. Ugly, boy, you dusty.
Hey ma, looking at it, nigga.
So see, as y'all can see, this is what pure sniper entry. Pure sniper entry right here. Last.
So what you saying though? You was finna kill that trade like off rip, no drawdown type shit.
Off rip, no draw, bro. You see this no drawdown, bro. Like this is not no game no more. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is a perfect way for y'all to start practicing y'all's entries and like really, you don't have to
You
like.
talking about some practice?
I mean, shit.
You
Make the
talking about practice?
nigga. Listen, I'm a franchise player, and you talking
Practice?
about practice? No, shut up. Look, you gotta practice, bro. Especially when it comes to this, you gotta practice. Nothing overnight, like. But
Hell,
you,
nah, most definitely, most definitely.
this a easy, simple entry, simple price action. Cause all you did was you saw this you saw this, you see this happening right here. You know it's on an uptrend. You know what I'm saying? You know this bitch on an uptrend. You saw it break out. You saw it break out. You let it come all the way here. Let it come down. Do its little re on the 15. Do its little re on the 15. You saw the re on the 15.
That nigga said, did the
And
little reread.
you you made you let it do its re, make your entry, and then you shine bright like a diamond.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you know, after the reread, y'all got put that box. You feel me? That square. Cause y'all already know he all about that geometry. You feel me?
Geometry is key, nigga. When it comes to these candles, bro, you gotta know your angles, bro. Look, tight
Yeah,
stop.
yeah.
You're not even risking most of your cap. You're risking part of your capital. Like it's simple when it comes to this shit. Like once you really tighten up and you really understand, like, and keep in mind, you don't need to make your move like as soon as this box gets broken. But when the box get broken, you got your key levels there, your little interday levels, and you understand that it broke the box going upwards, which means that it's on a clear uptrend. And the only zone that I know that is going to hit is up here. It's imminent that it's going to have to come here. Y'all can see my cursor got big. I'm trying to tell y'all that it's imminent.
Shit.
It's going to come up here.
And that shit happened in like no time. That shit was on their
And
way up, up.
no reversal pattern unless you see a reversal pattern or nothing. Like that's what I'm saying. Unless you see a
But that's
reversal,
one thing though. Niggas will get on this shit and like just set their TPs in SL and then be like, shit,
if it
bye.
hit,
If it hit, nah, hell nah, bro. Niggas gotta pay attention to what they doing, bro. They gotta pay attention to what going on, cause like a reversal, like they could be deep in profit, like 30 pips, I don't know, 50 pips. A reversal pattern pop up, stop your ass out still, cause you ain't move your stop loss to break even or a trailing stop. You know what I'm saying? That shit happen a lot. So y'all niggas gotta manage y'all trades, even though y'all put it in TP or whatever. A nigga could say, "Oh nah, let the TP and take profit. Like let the TP and SL do its thing." But nah, bro. I say you gotta pay attention to what's going on instead of just forgetting about your phone, shit like
yeah.
that.
And look, yeah, because you gotta be aware of these. Cause look right here, you see this formation, right? And like it's obviously making a reverse pattern. It's making a this we call this like low key a double top. Even though it came all the way up here, though, still like I would have been comfortable getting out the trade right here with 229 pips profit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just to be safe.
Who the fuck would it?
And you know, like just cool it. After that, cool it. You don't have to do too
I'm
much.
done trading for the week. To
For
be
real,
honest with you, person, like
for real. You know what I'm saying?
200 niggas
You
don't even catch 100
see this
a
pattern right
week.
here. Don't get out right. I mean, you could get out right here because you know you at a cool. You still like like couple hundred pips in profit. You know what I'm saying? You get out, do your thing, whatever you want to do. But you could just chill because what's gonna happen? Price has to retrace. So price gonna retrace, try to come test that high, and then it got knocked off, and then it came down. So
Hell
you
yeah.
could still come right here, then get out right here with your 200 pip profit, and then let it do whatever it want to do, and you just cool it, and then wait for the next best entry. You know what I'm saying? Once you know what's going on, once you know it hit this and it rejected off this resistance.
Y'all gotta know market structure too. Like y'all gotta know what type of like where y'all like are y'all at a key level resistance, key level support. Like y'all gotta know these type of things before y'all get into the trade. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna
Market
do
structure is king.
we're gonna do a whole video on all that, but right now, you know what I'm saying, we just vibing on the beat. You know what I'm saying? Vultures cry type shit. On my Kodak type shit. You know what I'm
You know
saying?
what I'm saying? The money don't sleep. You did.
Why should we? Y'all
You know what
niggas
I'm
sleep.
saying?
We not. Anyways, another thing though, y'all boys need to start analyzing these too. You know what I'm saying? Something like the DXY. If, like for example, I So like last week, DX the previous week's DXY been the dollar currency index has been coming up, hitting this resistance right here, boom, crashed, right? That's why there was that
Hey, listen.
USD and in gold. That's why you could have made a lot of bread out of
Oh
buy
shit.
because and then you see that it starts to retrace, but you know it's making higher lows.
Bruh, nah,
What's up?
Kodak a legend, bruh. Kodak a legend.
And
This nigga
so
said the money don't sleep.
you
If you
analyze
want this shit, you gotta be
you
up
know what's going
late.
on, you know what's going on throughout the day, you feel me? You analyze it, you know what's going on throughout the day. So if it's negative, you know what's happening with your pair that day. If it's positive, you know what's happening with your pair. Right now, I know that AUD USD gonna be a definite sell. Well, not a definite, but it could be a sell because the DXY is going in an upward direction, and it's kept making these higher levels. It's kept making these, and it finally broke this previous resistance. Now turned support, as you can see clearly. So I'm expecting AUD USD to be a sell this week. I don't know what y'all niggas thinking. Y'all could be thinking something else, but leave it in the comments. Let me know, cause I'm trying to get to this money same way y'all is. You know what I'm saying?
I don't even think they trying to get to this money for real. Cause I mean, niggas would be trying to do some new shit if they was. But I don't
Oh,
even think.
bro, like we really live on YouTube, niggas talking about what?
But not for real. This shit lit though. You know what I'm saying? We might have no views right now, but that's how everybody start. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is playing soccer with no fans. Like, the fuck?
Oh God! Oh God!
I ain't even worried about no fan right now, nigga.
Hey,
Niggas
but
is outside
we
with no
gotta.
fans.
Hey, but let's give these boys a little bit of background on like us and who we are, cause like they don't know us.
Hell yeah. I feel like
They don't know
Igor
what.
should go first, no cap.
Yeah,
Just
Why
cause,
me?
just cause, bro. You
first
too
come
quiet,
first,
just cause.
come for a lead.
I'm doing a Kevin challenge today, bro.
Okay.
But so like where I'm
Oh
from and shit.
shit.
Where you?
Oh, he gonna
I
talk about somewhere I'm from. Ooh.
I don't know. Like, I'm asking. So like, that's what y'all want to know.
Oh, nigga, they wanna know everything.
yeah,
They
like
All
they
right,
ask
all
me.
right. So
they
like,
want to know everything. They want to
my name
know
is.
what you do, why you got into it, what's keeping you there, all that. You know what I'm saying? Like speak.
All right. My name is Igor. I'm 20 years old. Uh,
You lying? You
Old
19?
ass nigga.
I'm 20, bro. I'm 20 years old, and the reason why I got into forex was because of Goho. Um,
Hold on, bro.
what?
They don't even know like where you from. They don't even know
Oh,
like.
so you wanna?
They don't know
I,
what you do for a living.
So like, my name is Igor. I'm 20 years old. I live in the UK. I was born in Portugal. Um, I went to live in Angola for 7 years before I went to the UK after. Well, currently, I'm in Portugal because of the coronavirus outbreak. I had to leave the country so that I can come to my homeland and chill.
Oh, oh, oh.
What else? We out here chilling. There's not much to do. Yeah, like I'm a student of the BBB. I'm still trying to learn. I'm still trying to, I'm still trying to get into the graphs. I'm still trying to getting to know a little bit more about the trading part. I got into forex because of Goho. He encouraged me to get in this, and I feel like it's really interesting, to be honest, because if you actually think about doing something, like I think that this is a cool opportunity for you to, like not only like get more people around you, socialize more, but like, get real money, you know what I'm saying? Like if you actually like put your focus in it, if you're
Yeah.
actually grinding this shit, like there's gonna be a guarantee that you're gonna get money. So like either way, it's always a win-win, you know what I'm saying? But that's only if you focus. That's only if you actually put your mind into it. You know what I'm saying? You can't just like oh yeah, I lost one day, I'm gonna give up. It can't be like that. There are gonna be hard ways. They're gonna be hard days. I mean, sorry. They're gonna be hard days. They're gonna be days that you might not feel like, you're not in the right
Hell
place.
yeah.
But like, you know what I'm saying? Do like
Hell
these
yeah.
niggas out here, Jose and Goho, like, they're the real traders, bro. And
Hell yeah.
they can tell you that they are done lost a lot of money in this and they're still here. They still here. And the reason why they're still here is because they know
It's
that there
been
will be
too
a loss.
long. It's been
There
too
will
long.
there
Look,
will be L's and W's, probably more L's and W's, but the W's need to be big, nigga. You just gotta grind.
look.
That's how it goes, bro. That's
Only
how
a
it
loser
is.
will tell you they never lost.
Only a what?
Only a loser will tell you they never lost.
Hey, that's true. That's true. The type of niggas I know a lot of niggas that'll say that I know they lost, but they gonna say, nah, bro. For soccer, in instance, hell nah, bro. That ref for bullshit, bro. I can't even.
There will be days, like there will be days. I feel like the coolest thing about trading for me is the risk management that you learn, because it's something that you don't have to just use on forex.
I'll say
You can
one
use it.
thing though, before you go ahead.
Okay.
The market is something you can't control, right? So what can you control? The money you put in your account and your risk and how much you risk per trade. That's what you can control. You in total control of that. And the buying and selling also, obviously. You know what I'm saying? So you obviously got control. You can control over your money. But if you can't control over your emotion and over how much you want to risk and shit, then I don't know. The market is not for you, my nigga.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna lie. To be honest, like
You gotta
me,
be
I'm
robotic. Shit. Gotta be robotic.
I'm reckless with money. I know I am reckless with money. I am. I don't spend quite a lot of money on stupid shit, but like I'm
Yeah,
trying
we
to
know.
learn. You know what I'm saying? Shut the fuck up, go. Yeah, like I'm trying to learn. I mean, I'm not learning the hard way. I feel like Forex actually came into my life in the right time. To be honest,
Bro,
I feel
no, no,
like
no, no, no. This the best time. We
this
young,
is
nigga. We
probably
20.
the best time. Yeah,
It's the
like
best time. We young.
we
We
young,
we
like
got energy, and
yeah,
coronavirus just hit. So guess what?
yo,
You stuck at the crib. Why not? Why not learn
that's
Why
it,
some?
bro.
not?
And a lot of people love to say, like, you can't be. I don't know, bro. I just see too much. I'm not even gonna speak on that because I know what I'm working for. I know what goals I got. End of the day, you can't let nobody else word make you want to do something else. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of these binary options people try to tell you that binary options is the best route. But look, the reason there is more risk in forex is because there is more reward in forex. Binary options only has its market cap is like a couple $1 billion for the whole options industry and futures trading. Couple billion,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Nah, motherfucker take forex.
But that's like I don't understand niggas that come to Forex and think like they don't gotta work hard. Like they see niggas
Yeah,
make bread. Like
like it's supposed to be easy. Of course, it's more volatile. Duh. That's why you just gotta get used to it. It's a $5.4 trillion market. You know what I'm
yeah,
saying? Ain't no joke. There's money
it
moving
ain't
every.
go up. It probably did.
It
Like
probably like eight some, I think, last time I checked. But
something
I
like
want to
that.
say
But
five
nigga,
point. Everybody knows 5.4. Even if it's 5.4 trillion, that's
even
still
if it's just 1 trillion, like
like Future said, Rolly AP was triple
triple
time.
timing.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's still triple time futures, stocks, whatever else you trading. So think about it. If you could just get 0.0001% of that, like you'll be okay.
That's too much. Even that's too much. You
And
gotta get
but
like shit.
come on, bro. 0.000001 of 1 trillion. Like that's all you need. And all you need to do that is just like, of course, you're gonna have good times, you're gonna have bad times, but the one thing you need to understand is that if you have proper risk management and you understand what you're doing and you have a good strategy,
There's 4 people watching this shit.
your your risk,
What?
There's 4 people watching
your,
this.
your risk to reward,
Who?
your
I
risk.
don't know, bro.
But you cheating hard as hell, happy ass.
Who 4 people watching
There's
this shit?
4 people
Nigga,
watching.
we lit, nigga. What you talking about?
We live in this bitch,
Hey,
man.
everybody watching this shit, I fuck with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying?
The long wait, you heard.
The
Nah,
long way, because we out
You
here
heard.
spreading knowledge.
You heard.
We out here spreading knowledge.
shout out BBB Hot Forex. You know what I'm saying? International organization.
Mm-hmm.
That's just,
In
Niggas
day
better
trading
recognize.
and investments. Better recognize. We're not just teaching people how to do forex. That's not what we do. We teach people how to do everything because we want people to expand. We want people to do forex. We want people to make investments. We want people to do what they do. We want people to make money any way they can through money. You know what I'm saying? The reason I really fuck with the forex shit is one reason, solely one reason only. I'm gonna tell y'all this. Don't tell nobody though. It's because on forex, look, I'm gonna say it like this: when you have a job, you have a 9 to 5, right? You're earning money. You earn money because you give up your time and your body in return for money, right? So you're earning money through your work, through your hard work and time, right? When it comes to day trading, you are making money. Forex is the closest to does money fall on trees? You know what I'm saying? That's the closest you will ever get to it. Ever. A $5.4 trillion market is nothing to play with. And if you think you finna get in this and play and make some profits real fast, you're stupid.
dumbass.
I don't understand how niggas come on this shit and think that this is just like some play some funny money shit. Like, bro,
That's like
This
never
ain't no
that's like
funny.
never
This is what I
playing
said. This ain't no
football.
funny money.
That's like never playing American football and thinking when you get to that's like never playing American football, going to the NFL and thinking you finna be the star.
okay,
Like no, nigga, you finna get cut before your first day even start.
bro.
This ain't no funny
They ain't even
money.
finna make it to that first day.
So look, man, you gotta put in the time and the effort because yes, Forex is real, but it is a highly specialized, like you need to be highly skilled to be in this market. This is not a joke. This is real. And
This nigga Moona.
if you
I
want to
just had to
be in this
join
market
y'all.
and make some money, then you gonna have to do what is needed of you, what is expected of you, what the market asks of you. You don't trade against the market. You trade with the market. Make the market your best friend. You know what I'm saying? That's your big homie. It's giving
That
you
your
the
big homie.
it's giving you the bread. Why you gonna go against
Nah,
fuck
my
with him?
big homies be getting on my ass. I gotta make them my female. I gotta make them my girl.
Fuck
Your
is you
big
talking?
homie big. He said his big homie began on his ass.
Oh,
You
that
gotta
hey,
be.
I feel you. It be like that sometimes.
That's cause you didn't take care of him, bro. He be asking you to do stuff. You don't do that shit, bro.
Nah, why I say Forrest gonna be my girl? Cause look, listen. If you want too much, they gonna figure some type of way. If you don't want enough, they gonna feel some type of way. You just gotta find the
Bruh,
sweet
real
spot.
shit. Real shit. Our YouTube fans saying they can't hear you well.
What?
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Our YouTube fans said they can't hear you properly, so you gotta speak
Oh,
up.
okay. Oh yeah, for sure. For
Are
sure.
you okay?
Nigga.
Bro, you sound like you recorded or something. What the fuck's wrong with you? You good?
Nah.
Drunk as hell.
You gotta be off some.
Yeah, on God though. On God.
Yo, oh, I know what it is.
What is it?
Y'all remember that shorty what she told her?
Today?
Hey, Muna, that went down.
He ain't even answer. I think he fell
That
asleep.
nigga fell asleep. Yeah, I know it.
This nigga. I'm dead.
Nah, real shit.
I'm
Real shit, this not a game. Real
Yeah,
shit,
for
this
real.
not a game.
This is
Like,
not a drill.
hey, so I
Never will
switched
be.
out my shit. I switched out my shit. Picked it out a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga trying to get a new phone and shit.
Shout out USA. Nah, that iTunes.
Mm.
That iTunes. But you know what I'm saying? Shout out USA. Black, white, hold on. White, red, blue. Hell yeah. Mm,
This nigga love Donald Trump, goddamn.
hell no. First of all,
I don't even know that
we
nigga.
gon' we gon' we gonna edit that out. We don't need that. We don't need that type of bad energy on our channel. First of all, we don't even got no fans yet. Imagine them niggas pop up talking about something. Oh, you niggas like Donald. Who
Yeah,
I
I
need?
love McDonald's.
Yeah, I was talking about Donald the Duck ugly ass. But
Glad, boy.
as y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? I got Euro USD going up. You did all right. Why that is? Why that is? You might have asked, right? Right. I got my levels of support and my levels of resistance. You did. And we can see price been in this channel for a while, since 2015. You did what
You
I'm
did.
saying? All right, all right, all right. Okay. So we go on a daily chart. You feel me? We already had our levels set out and shit, you know what I'm saying? Here on the daily chart, we gonna set out our levels of resistance as well. And our what is it, intraday levels? Yeah, our intraday levels is set up as well. As you can see, there's a lot of touches on this area, a lot of support resistance. So this has been support and resistance too many times for a long time. So it's the next zone that I think this price might be going to, which I truly believe in. So,
Oh,
huh? What? Bro, don't be
What the
coming
fuck
out
is
here
going on?
interrupting me like that, bro. I'm guiding them. I don't even know who in them is.
I said, boss.
Oh,
And you mad? Look at
shout
you,
out, shout out.
Rick Ross.
Nah, Renzel.
Pears.
That his name. That his name.
Young Renzel. Shout out
Yeah.
Young Renzel. I say
Pears.
Shout out Young Renzel.
it's always a good day to.
Paris.
I like pears and shit like that.
Perfect dated boss. He said, I like
Hey,
it.
make sure y'all go eat at Wingstop Checkers and get some Bel Air champagne.
Make sure y'all go ask for that big beautiful and that red slush. And when y'all go to Wingstop, get that 12-piece lemon pepper, all flats.
Full flat, baby.
Y'all
Lemon.
hear me? So yeah, as y'all can see from here, we're looking at the daily time frame, and we can see what type of trend the market is going in, and we can see that this is obviously a retest after a break of this structure. Because y'all know the market's always got to come and retest. Always got to come and retest. So the market went up on a rally, it rallied up, and never came back to retest this zone or this zone. So since it's the most recent zone of structure that was broken, um, we're expecting the market to come back on this area. And personally, the way I trade, I'll be looking for a reversal pattern for me to be able to get on this trade and buy. And then as we can see, we go on the 4-hour chart. We can see that there was a head and shoulders formation, and the chart came down and retested this zone up here, and then it kept dropping. So it lines up perfectly with this support right here,
Mm-hmm.
and also this support right here. So as long as this stays in my zone that I drew up here, then we should be in it for the buy. So I already, damn. So I already got my SL and take profit lined up.
I'm not
So
gonna lie though, that is still deeper than life.
you're not willing to risk 55 pips?
Nah, that shit gay.
I mean, at the
Like
end
my
of the day, at the
like
end of the day, you don't know when the reversal pattern coming. I just got it set up like that. You know what I'm saying? But that
fact,
don't mean that's where my SL gonna be at. Cause
fact,
once the structure is formed, I already know where I'm gonna put my SL. Yeah, I already know how this shit play out.
fact, y'all already seen how niggas get into trade, so y'all know what's
Yeah.
good.
So what I'm looking at, y'all niggas seeing this shit live. If y'all niggas don't take this free content and use it, nigga, I swear to God, I'm gonna keep doing it.
Hey, but
But
look, don't sell AUD USD. Wait for the breakout, and then sell, and then put in whether it's a buy or a sell on the retest.
yeah,
Same thing.
I ain't telling you to do that. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Real shit. This what I'm doing.
Nah, I'm just trying to
Based
tell them,
on
like, even if you think, that's the beauty, that's the beautiful part of like this trading shit. Cause like you don't really, if you, as long as you understand the break and retest concept, nigga, what is you doing?
who me,
Yeah,
nigga, I got experience, you know what I'm saying? Air outside nature. It's like 8 a.m. right now. Matter of
so,
fact, 7. Nigga
but like
gotta, you
with
know
the
what I'm
break and
saying?
retest, it's like you just wait for it literally to break out, for price to break out, like a overbearing ass candle, bruh. You just wait for that, and you know the general direction that it's going in after that. And what now?
Facts.
You know what to do in the market. If it's good, if it breaks out on the downside, you know that it's a sell. If it breaks out to the upside, you know that it's a buy. And what do? You just wait for the retest of that price.
Cause
Because eventually,
all I got on my chart is just straight zones, like
yeah,
zone. That's it.
that it. Niggas don't need no trend lines. Niggas don't need none of that shit.
I see the trend line. I don't gotta put it. I
Yeah,
see it.
yeah. So look, all you gotta do, wait for the retest, and you good, homie.
Cause
That's
you
all.
feel me, like
Go out.
they why. Cause this why. Okay, you see DXY right here. Like I say, I got all I got is zones, my nigga. That's all I got, bro. That's all I got. Word to the wise. Cause you can go on a weekly chart. You know what I'm saying? We can see that it tried coming down here twice, but this is you can see this zone go all the way over here, bro, all the way to the left.
Yeah, that
So
shit stupid.
this is a
Stupid.
well respected zone, and then the resistance you can see up here too, because it hit this and it reacted funny. You know what I'm saying? It dropped, and then we can see there's a lot of reaction. If y'all can see very well, we could put out the line chart. We can see okay how the graph reacted around this zone. You know what I'm saying? After it broke it to the downside, what could we expect? A pullback over there. You know what I'm saying? But this on the weekly chart. So hold on, damn. This on the weekly chart. So this like the major zone that we expecting it to go to and do the retest. But as of right now, in the meantime, we trying to focus on current price action, which is this right here. And next zone will be up here. Next resistance will be up here. That major resistance I'm showing y'all right now is this right here. This big dog up here. You know what I'm saying? So at this point, as we can see that chart broke. I mean the candles broke this resistance up top. This resistance up top. And made a doji candle. And still after the doji, after the indecision, it was still able to get more buy orders and go up. And market closed positive on a
Yo,
positive candle. So that being said, on the FOFO, we can see that okay, after you see this candle, this positive, you know what I'm saying, huge ass candle, you know what I'm saying, crash that resistance. What happened? Market came and tried to retest it, you know what I'm saying? Well, actually retested and kept going up and rising, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we might, as soon as the market open, we might see a spike up and then a true retest to this structure, or we might just see it going up To be honest, we might just see it going up and hit this zone before it retests over here. Yeah, but that's why I'm selling Euro USD because the DXY is obviously an inverse chart, you know. So as long as this keep going up, this keep coming down. But yeah, same thing goes for GU, GJ, all that, all the other pairs I trade. But let's go to GA real quick. GA, for example,
Go to
like I
GJ, bro.
say, hold on. This on GA real quick. Like I say, I got, bruh, zones, bruh. That's it, zones. I got a trend line because it looked beautiful. It hasn't broken this trend line for a while, but it just did. It just did. And this right here will be the next zone that I'm thinking is going to. So if you go to the daily chart, we go to the daily chart, we can see that okay, what type of formation this is, Eagle. It just broke the trend line. What this called right here?
Wait, what?
It
Let me
just
see.
broke. It just hold on. So you see it on the daily, right?
You
This a
asking me?
trend line. No, I'm asking Eagle.
Okay.
You see how this trend line was like real respected. Every time it hit, it went up.
Yeah, it
But
was
it
respected.
finally
Yeah,
it finally broke the trend line. So what it do?
she's retesting.
Hell yeah. I see you paying attention, big dog. You know what I'm saying?
For real.
Everybody hit the like button because he got his question right. Everybody leave
This
a
nigga,
comment.
Hey, hold on. I got a reaction for you.
niggas ain't serious, bro. For real.
Just stupid. But all right. So check this out. We see that obviously it retested and it was bouncing up in this channel right here. It was bouncing up in this channel right here. What happened again? Support is up here. It broke support, right? What we expecting? We expecting a retest and drop of this support. Okay, so if we go on the daily, we see what's going on. Oh, what that look like again, Eagle?
Another retest. Oh, he broke because it broke
Oh
and it was
my
retesting.
God! You see how simple this shit is? It's
Mm-hmm.
And
all break and retest.
look what it doing though. Look what it doing. What it do, man? What it is, man?
What it doing? You
What
tell
What do you
us.
mean? What he
See
doing?
What it is?
what it is. You tell us what it is.
What it is, man?
What is
What it
going back
is.
up?
Yeah, man.
You know
But
what I'm
don't ask me
saying?
like that.
What it
You
is,
pulled a fib out that bit line up with a 61.8.
man.
Perfect.
What it is, man?
Perfect. That's just line up with the
What is
61.8. Perfect.
what are these white candles? What do they represent, bro? You know this, bro. I'm not gonna ask you twice.
Positive.
Who you asking?
Igor.
Oh, I don't even know what type of question you talking about. So what they
Yeah.
represent? Like
Genie,
what?
like
What is this, bro? It broke through.
it broke through his retesting. Yeah.
Okay then, cut.
He already said that. So
I
you're not
said
paying
that. What
attention.
the? This
Oh,
nigga.
hold on. All right.
It's gonna. Yeah.
There you go. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about, big dog. For real. So as long as I see the what's it called? The the reversal pattern over here forming on this level, as long as it doesn't break above, then we cool. That's why I got my 54 pick stop loss above this structure right here. You know what I'm saying? Because I know if the candles go above this, I already know this not gonna be a valid trade. So I got my 54 pip stop loss and a deep take profit because you already know we going for these pips. You feel me? But this all on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we can see the same thing. You see
Hey,
the
that
formation right here? Nigga could have bought right here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
This little yeah. You know what I'm saying?
all
Boom.
that doji right there, nigga. That shit be clear.
Perfect.
That shit the devil. Sometimes it be playing tricks on you though.
Yeah, yo, you really never know what really going on whenever they come around. You feel me?
See, but whenever you do that
It's
and
like
you
Debo. You
whenever you
never know when it come.
on that doji though, make your stop loss tight as a bitch.
Like below here. Yeah.
Like tight, not even, bro, like literally below the body of that hoe, like tight as a bitch. Cause if it's gonna go up, it's never gonna like do no extra fugazi shit.
You never know, shorty.
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? Hey, but this real shit, this nigga said, God said, well,
What?
all right, not
What the
this,
fuck?
not this nigga. God said, because of where I'm taking you, there are people from your past coming back to you. Be careful. I've already shown you who they are.
Hell yeah, man. Oh, oh.
That shit
Wait,
hard.
say that again. Say that again.
Because of what I'm taking you. You hear me? Because of where I'm taking you.
No, repeat.
Because of where I'm taking you, there are people from your past coming back to you. Be careful. I've already shown you who they are.
Amen. Amen.
You gotta stay
You hear
woke.
me?
You gotta stay woke with these
You hear me?
snakes.
That hard right there. No cap, that hard.
You gotta stay woke, bro.
It ain't even about staying woke. It's just about,
It is though.
that's what I was talking about with somebody. Cause whenever like I do this forex shit, but this forex shit, like it really show you like some psychology shit. If you're not tapped into the psych part of the shit, like there's no way you can be successful in my eyes. At least opinions vary and realities vary. So it may be different for you, but all I'm saying is like that shit crazy. Cause like we was talking about. How certain people in my life had to be, I cut them off because of certain situations. And I'm not the type of nigga who gonna tell you, hey, you cut off, like I don't fuck with you, like I just don't talk to you no more, like it is what it is.
Yeah, that's what I do too.
And
I ain't give niggas that time of the day, to be honest with you. If I'm
For
here,
real.
I would be
I don't owe
100%.
because once you really realize you don't owe nobody shit.
Exactly. Like
Nobody
once you realize, for me, it's like the thing is the way I do it is like when someone does me wrong, I never tell them that they did me wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like I just ghost because that's the way. Like at the end of the day, they didn't have to do anything positive to make me feel happy or to make me feel like
Yo, hold on, man. Y'all can see this?
Oh yeah, I saw that. That nigga,
What's that?
Hold on.
that nigga threw away the whole goal.
Oh man.
Follow
Hey,
this account.
Send me that.
But yeah, bro, like you gotta be safe and smart with your shit and like how you operating and shit. Because a lot of people in your life and they may be good for you, some may not be. You need to be able to like assess those um because you need to carry your body like a business. If it's not beneficial to you, or if it doesn't provide you with any sort of drive or inspiration, or it doesn't make you want to do better, period, why have that in your life? You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
why be with somebody who gonna drag you down into the old you? Why not have conversations with somebody who gonna make you see the bigger picture, or see a bigger picture, period, for yourself and your life?
Cause niggas ain't really like with that type. Like I said, I always say this shit, bro. I always say this shit. Niggas ain't on the same type of time zone I'm on, so
Hell yeah.
you know what I'm
Hey, we need
saying?
to do a video on time zones too.
Yeah, I forgot. But yeah, I be saying this shit the whole time. Niggas ain't on the same type of time zone I'm on. They on some like Pacific shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm on some like Atlantic, you know what I'm saying? Tsunami type waves, you know what I'm saying? We on some high tides, you feel me? But that ain't
Yeah.
to say like I'm on a higher level or nothing. I'm just saying I'm moving. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
It ain't even, yeah, like you said, it ain't a say, like I'll say it like this. It ain't a say that I'm above you or nothing, but it's
Yeah.
just to say that I'm in a different gear, or I feel like I'm in a different gear. Therefore, I'm gonna carry myself like I'm in a different gear, and I'm gonna do what this gear requires me to do to get to the next gear. 'Cause y'all niggas cooling on neutral. Bitch, I'm on drive 4.
This nigga.
Now your ass on automatic.
Nigga, not even, nigga. I'm out here on drive 4, nigga. Automatic drive 4, nigga. Y'all nigga, you ain't even gotta tell me. You ain't gotta tell me twice. I really like.
Nigga, you ain't gotta tell me to go, nigga. I'm on go.
Oh God. I'm already going, nigga. You fuck around, pull up, try to tell me to go. I'm already gone.
Motherfucker, meet me where you telling me to go, bitch ass nigga. Fuck.
Oh God.
But yeah, that's just to say, I'm saying you gotta be on that type of time zone whenever you looking to do something new about your life. You looking to start something new. It don't gotta be for us. Like this just to show y'all 3 young niggas who really try to make it out from where they come from. People don't really make it out like that unless they scamming, stealing, or you know what I'm saying. They be put on by, you know what I'm saying. They be put on by their daddy or some shit. Like we not trying to be that. We not trying to support or none of that. We trying to come up our own way, trying to come up on our own terms with our own, you know what I'm saying, goals and mindset being achieved, you feel me? With that, all that being said, you feel me, y'all niggas keep liking this videos. We're finna be going live like every week. So yeah, I like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If y'all want this free content, you know what I'm saying? As y'all know, we're finna be getting into the trades, doing analysis, all that. You feel me? It's not finna stop.
Hard ass bar though. Before you close hard, this nigga said, "Broke niggas talk too much. Rich niggas quiet." She said she want me to eat it. I told that bitch I'm on a diet.
I thought, bro.
You need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop, bro.
You do, bro. For real.
That's just to say, I need to subscribe, like, comment. I ain't never gonna start saying that, cause, bro, if y'all want to keep watching this beautiful content and this free game, y'all niggas gotta be tapped in. Y'all niggas gotta be tapped in. Y'all see, bro, on the call right now. You know what I'm saying, bro? Caring about some business right now. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? What you gotta say, Igor? What's your last words for the followers that's finna come in? Cause we don't got no followers yet. You know what I'm saying? We don't got nobody. We had 4 viewers today. We gotta celebrate by that shit.
We actually do.
Hey, look, I just want to say thank y'all boys for coming through, for peeping the video. Even if you didn't peep the video, I still want to thank you for being alive and shit, because, you know, I just fuck with life, period.
There's still 3 people on right now.
And
yeah, one of them is me. One of them is me.
Yeah.
I just want to say thank y'all. Well, not even thank y'all, because I don't give a fuck about y'all. Now I'm playing. I love you. But I just want to say, you know, I'm grateful for this platform that me and my boys have constructed and put together. I'm grateful for the work that we're doing together as a unit, and you know, I hope that one day we can see the fruits of our labor and
we will, nigga. We definitely will.
The fruits of our sleepless nights.
That's the thing, like, for real. From what we see, it's like.
Hold on, bro. I ain't cut you off, bro.
Go ahead.
And I just want to say,
this nigga like, be talking too
I can't, bro. I can't.
Oh my God.
Just to say one other thing is, like, look, man, treat Forex like any other real profession in the world, because if you don't treat it like any other job in the world, that's where you fuck up, because this shit is serious. This shit is real. You know what I'm saying? The same way you take your 9 to 5 serious, take this shit serious. This shit is real. So,
this shit is raw. This shit is authentic.
Y'all boys,
no
you don't even have to give me a follow, but, you know, just let us know if y'all want more content, and we'll be uploading. And thank y'all for liking this or not. If you don't like it, don't give a fuck. Still gonna make
we are gonna be big either you like it or not, niggas. So you're watching this shit right now.
Nigga, why
you're watching this shit right now? Cause he's ahead of time, bro.
I'm telling y'all shit ahead of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, I feel you. But yeah, that's just to say, you know what I'm saying?
I got a student calling.
I feel you, bro. But like I say, y'all like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? That's it, bro. And we out.